I saw the rhythm when you stepped unplanned. A melody played where raindrops land. Your eyes spoke words the sky couldn't say. We found a tune in a rainy day. Oh, the rain kept falling, but I was warm. Your heartbeat wrapped me through the storm. Every droplet sang a song so true. The clouds only cleared to bring me you. The world blurred soft in a misty hue. Every color brighter when I saw you. Even thunder hummed a tender refrain. Love grows deeper when it falls with the rain. We dance in puddles where dreams unfold. Each step a secret story told. No rhythm missed, no moment too small. We found love beneath the rain's gentle cold. Oh, the rain kept falling, but I was warm. Your heartbeat wrapped me through the storm. Every droplet sang a song so true. The clouds only cleared to bring me you. Oh, the rain kept falling, but I was warm. Your heartbeat wrapped me through the storm. Every droplet sang a song so true. The clouds only cleared to bring me you.